Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable keep mouse on your meetup. We'll go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your meetup. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on general here. You just click here on general here. It's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. We just click here on settings here. It's going to take you to this list here. You come here to keep mouse. Just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean keep mouse disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to